everyone. I hope you're having a good week. I just wanted to remind you that part 1 of module 2 is due this Sunday, March 1st. So you've got 2 assignments that you need to make sure that have been completed and submitted by Sunday, March 1st. Also, module 2 has a second part, which is part 2, college student roles and responsibilities. This part 2 is now open and available for you. You will see that there's several things that you need to read and review for this section. And you have 3 assignments that are due for part 2. These assignments will be due Sunday, March 15th. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Have a good day. Thank you, your instructor, Emily Russ.